Visualization and the law of attraction. Visualization is a core skill set used in manifesting. The better your ability to visualize, the better your manifestations will be. When you visualize, you literally trick your mind into thinking it is real. The feelings and emotions you conjure up when you visualize are so close to their real-life versions that your mind thinks they are real. For instance, if you visualize yourself on a tropical beach, drinking from a fresh coconut, imagine the sun on your skin, the fresh, crystal water between your toes, the feel of the sand through your fingers. How do you feel? The human mind is so powerful that even just for a second, while imagining and visualizing these things, that you are transported there and you really feel the feelings and emotions you would in that scenario. This is important because it bridges a gap between fantasy and reality. Sitting on that beach is not just a fantasy, but it is more real to you now. It is not something which is out of reach as you have already experienced it within your mind. And with regular visualization, nothing is out of reach for you. It can become normal for you to see yourself as a famous writer, as a rock star, as a sportsman, and athlete. Whatever you dream about, you can create it in your mind, and whatever the mind can conceive, the mind can achieve. This section is all about visualization. We want to give you more background and information on how it works, as well as strategies and guides you can use to increase your ability to visualize, to make your visualizations even more vivid, so that they are even more powerful and make manifesting even easier. Core knowledge base. What is visualization? Definition and explanation of the term, often more closely defined as creative visualization. The article presents several examples and case studies which prove that, when used properly and regularly, this technique can have a dramatic impact to our health and well-being, and how it's being used as a therapeutic technique. How does visualization work? Numerous scientific studies confirm that there's a strong mind-body connection, and that the visualization works because the brain sees no difference between the thought of an action and a real action. So, in order to become successful in visualizing your dream life or just a piece of cherry pie, you have to make a conscious effort to develop and practice your visualization, not just to daydream and fantasize about the perfect partner or something else that you want to manifest. In this article, you'll also find a simple explanation why it's better to start visualizing with small things that belong to our daily routine, than to dream big right from the start. How to visualize. Visualizations should follow a structure, and should be very detailed. This article provides examples of different visualizations, giving you a structure to follow in the ones you'll be creating, and helping you to overcome the blank screen and to make your visualizations more alive. Using visualization for manifestation. A successful visualization is crucial for successful manifestation. It focuses the power of our thoughts and emotions, keeping us motivated and action-oriented. The article explains why visualization is so important, and gives a few more powerful techniques that can help you improve your visualization skills needed for reality manifesting. Adding emotion to your visualizations. Emotions play a crucial role in manifesting. They make our thoughts powerful enough to be heard by the universe. Read about why and how emotions affect our visualizations and manifesting, and discover some easy tricks that will help you add emotion even to the visualizations that you're not really excited about. Visualization exercises. Successful in business visualization. The goal of this exercise is to help you visualize success, so that you eventually become more focused to your business plans, ideas and ambitions, and able to pursue your goal with confidence. Money manifestation visualization. Money visualization exercise is to help you image the moment when you got the money, or some moment after it, and to produce a strong emotion of happiness related to it, so that you can successfully manifest it. Dream holiday visualization. This is a great stress release therapy, the goal of which is to make you imagine the feeling that you're on the holiday that you're truly enjoying. Meeting your perfect partner visualization. This exercise is to make you clearly depict meeting a partner, man or woman, that would be perfect for you in every way, and to feel the connection and emotion that you'd be feeling if it was real. Dream house visualization. Visualize your dream house, and learn exactly what it should be like. If you're not quite sure yet, it's the vision of home that is inspiring a strong feeling of pleasure and gratitude in you, helping you to manifest it exactly as it should be. Being happy visualization. This visualization is to make you feel the state of happiness, and to master it so that you can evoke the feeling every time you feel the need for it. Stopping procrastinating visualization, to help you form a clear image of a job done in your head, and the feeling of satisfaction and freedom that it will bring. Loving to exercise visualization, the exercise that will help you depict the image of you working out and feeling happy about it, so that the next time you're thinking about going to the gym, you actually go, do the exercises and enjoy them. Improving social skills visualization. This exercise is to help you imagine yourself being comfortable in a situation where you meet new people, sociable and confident when chatting with the strangers, so that you can practice that feeling and attitude, and eventually become good at it without much effort. Stopping smoking visualization. The goal of the exercise is to help you imagine the life without cigarettes that you will enjoy, exactly because there is no cigarette smoke in it. Improving tennis skills visualization. Imagine yourself playing tennis like a professional, focusing on your movements and on the ball. This exercise will help you better understand your own body, what you're doing right, and how to repeat it every time you're on the field. Positive thinking visualization. This visualization exercise is to help you believe in yourself, and start making a shift to the positive attitude in life. Improve your dancing visualization. If you want to win a dancing competition, or to dazzle your partner by your moves, this visualization will help you improve your motivation so that you're driven to your dancing practice. Waking up early visualization. The goal of the exercise is to make you get up in time and stop laying in bed. Simple as that. And it works. Further reading more visualization techniques. As we're all different, a technique that works for one person might not work for another, so we decided to present more techniques you can use for successful visualizing. Some of them are primarily used to exercise your visualization skills, others can be used for manifesting, but probably all of them can make you feel good, so you can use them as simple relaxation and stress relief techniques. What is a vision board? Vision boards are a tool that's very often used in manifesting, as a part of visualization process. The article explains why and how people use vision boards to focus their thoughts and emotions. How to create a vision board. This article contains steps to creating a vision board, and some tips that will add to its effectiveness.